Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a look at the Escort MAXcam 360c, a premium all-in-one device that combines a high-performance radar detector with a built-in QHD dash camera. Instead of mounting multiple devices on your windshield, the MAXcam 360c brings advanced detection, video recording, GPS intelligence, and connected driving features together in one streamlined package. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why has it become such a popular choice among drivers looking for maximum awareness on the road? Let's start with what makes this device unique. The Escort MAXcam 360c isn't just a radar detector, and it isn't just a dash cam. It's designed as a complete driver alert system. Escort equips it with the same Blackfin 706 DSP processing platform used in its flagship radar technology, delivering exceptional long-range radar detection and advanced false alert filtering. That means you get alerts that matter while reducing unnecessary distractions from traffic sensors and modern vehicle safety systems. One of the standout features is the 360-degree directional alert system. Instead of simply telling you that a signal exists, the detector shows exactly where the threat is coming from, whether it's ahead, behind, or to either side. That extra awareness can make a huge difference when you're trying to understand what's happening around your vehicle. Now let's talk about the integrated dash camera. The MAXcam 360c records in QHD 1440p resolution, offering significantly more detail than standard full HD cameras. It uses a Sony STARVIS image sensor and features enhanced night vision performance, helping capture clear footage during both daytime and nighttime driving. The camera also provides a wide 143-degree field of view, allowing it to capture multiple lanes of traffic and important roadside details. What do those numbers mean in everyday driving? The 1440p resolution gives you sharper footage for reading road signs, vehicle details, and recording incidents. The wide viewing angle captures more of your surroundings, while the STARVIS sensor improves visibility in low light conditions. Another impressive feature is automatic incident recording. Built-in G sensors detect impacts, hard braking events, or collisions and automatically save the relevant footage so it won't be overwritten. The included 16 GB microSD card gets you started immediately, and the system supports cards up to 256 GB if you need additional storage. GPS technology plays a major role here as well. Escort's AutoLearn system remembers recurring false alerts and automatically silences them over time. The detector also includes access to Escort's Defender database, which contains red light camera and speed camera locations, providing additional awareness during daily commutes and long-distance travel. Connectivity is another major advantage. With built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, you can receive cloud-based alerts, software updates, incident reports, and shared driving intelligence directly through the Drive Smarter ecosystem. Many users appreciate being able to view alerts directly on their vehicle's infotainment display instead of relying solely on the detector screen. Physically, the unit measures approximately 4.31 inches wide, 1.41 inches high, and 5.19 inches deep while weighing about 12 ounces. Escort includes a magnetic Easy Mag mount, smart cord USB power cable, travel case, and the 16 GB microSD card in the box. So why is the Escort MAXcam 360c such a popular choice? It comes down to convenience and capability. Instead of purchasing separate premium radar detection and dash camera systems, drivers get both technologies in a single device with GPS intelligence, cloud connectivity, directional awareness, and high-resolution video recording. Community discussions frequently highlight the convenience of the all-in-one design and the quality of the integrated dash cam solution. If you're looking for a feature-packed driving companion that combines advanced radar detection, QHD video recording, GPS-powered intelligence, connected alerts, and seamless smartphone integration, the Escort MAXcam 360c delivers an impressive all-in-one solution designed to keep you informed and aware every time you hit the road. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.